everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel AI Stories by Anjali. In today's video, we are going to discuss about the previous week part 1 continuation, that is the part 2 of application of how you can create a simple RAG model with the help of Llama index. So this is our topic which we have discussed in the last week, and today I will be continuing the part 2 of the application. So let us dive deep into the video. Before going to that, I would like to thank to all my subscribers who have subscribed to my YouTube channel, and also requesting to the new watchers to please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel AI Stories by Anjali. So let us dive deep into the video. So if you remember, the last week we have created a simple RAG model. So we have given a set of documents and we have made a simple question, that is a query, and we have given the relevant document and asked the question of find the answer in this particular relevant document, and we have got a response. So today we'll be seeing how you can create a simple Llama index without providing the relevant documents, and how you can use the Llama index for getting the appropriate responses. So let us dive to that and see how it works. And so if you remember, till last week we have did this part of RAG model where we have provided a particular document, the relevant document, and we have seen the response. So now we will be seeing the Llama index. So in order to get started with Llama index, first you have to import that, the required libraries. For that, you're writing this particular line, that is from llama underscore index.code, import tree index comma simple directory reader. So these are the two libraries that you need to import when you are working with the Llama index. And then you have to make a simple directory reader to read and load the documents that you have provided earlier. So for that, you are using this particular syntax, that is simple directory reader of data underscore dir, which we have created earlier, and dot load underscore data, which will load, and everything will be stored in the documents. And then you have created a tree index of the documents that you have loaded here. So for that, you're using this syntax, that is tree index dot from underscore documents of documents, and then you are creating a query engine. So for that, you're using this particular syntax. So whatever the index that you have created, so you will use that method, that is the object dot, and the particular method, that is as underscore query engine. And once you're done with that, you're just printing the prompt. So here you haven't provided the relevant document. You have provided all the documents, and you have used the tree index, and you have gave the question. So instead of doing the RAG model, that means providing a specific relevant document, here you are asking to query to find the answer in the whole set of documents. But for effective retrieving of the relevant answer, you have using the Llama index. Okay, so in that way you can use Llama index for delivering, for retrieving, and for building a appropriate responsive generative AI application. So once you are printing the prompt, you can print the prompt that what you have provided. So the prompt is the question that you are passing, that is what methods and tools do scientists employ in their pursuit of detecting signals from intelligent life beyond the earth. So this is your prompt which you have already passed earlier. So if you remember, I have passed this particular prompt here. Okay, so I'm just printing that prompt so that I can show to you, like lives are going up, but I just for your sake I have shown you. And then you are just printing the response, that is response is equal to query underscore engine dot query of prompt, and printing the response. So here you have got the response which is more appropriate, and it's just very much brief and just similar to the earliest response what we have did using the RAG model. So if you see this response, scientists utilize a diverse array of instruments including radio telescope in their pursuit pursuit of detecting signals from intelligent life beyond Earth. So this is the response. And if you see this, the RAG model response, some of the methods and tools used by scientists in the pursuit of detecting signals from intelligent life beyond Earth include. So it's basically like, very detailed and, more like more words actually. But here, if you see, it's a very short, concise, and precise response. So like that. So basically, like, I'm not telling you that you have to follow Llama index, you should not follow RAG model or like that. So based on your application, based on the response that you need, you have to employ the method. That's the way of understanding and analyzing each and every way of the technology. Okay, because there is a RAG model, there is a Llama index, and there might be some other different methods too, which we'll be seeing in the future videos. But in every way, the thing is you have to decide what method to choose, because you are building an application, and the application is completely customized application. There is no way, there is no specific reason that you have to do this, you have to do this, because everything will comes with a reason, and everything will have their own advantage and disadvantage. So everything you have to choose in your mind before you're employing any particular scenario of choosing the questions. Okay, so that is the main idea behind this models. Okay, so don't stick to one model, because there are some pros and cons of RAG model, there are some pros and cons of Llama index, there are some pros and cons of so and so XYZ. But the thing is, you have to analyze which one is appropriate for your application and then choose that particular thing. Okay, so this is the thing that I want to share in this video. I hope you understand this video. So next week we'll be seeing a new topic. So thank you for watching the video. Thank you.